merry-go-round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry-go.
Let's go. Let's hunt. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's hunt. Ooh, that's cold.
Riding in my drop top, windows down. Think I'm going crazy, looking for a sign. You and me should stop, settle down. Go our separate ways and never turn around. What can I do? Can play by your rules. I break when I bend over back.
Explain yourself.
What do you mean, mate? Just a little thing here and there, and
It's good to see you though.
yeah, good to see you.
I can't give him 1 week.
We don't stand
1 week. Or the panel beater. You can see what's wrong. You see the look in the mirror?
Yeah, I was like, oh.
Let's not. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's.
Dad!
Don't dent my car. What's going on? Who else has we got in the car with us? We've got a special guest. Valerie's coming with us as well.
Well, I'm in the front
Alrighty,
seat.
gonna do this. How lucky are we?
We're going out for dinner.
I never watched a mom before. This is the best day ever!
I just said this is the best day ever.
Ever! Best day ever! Hey!
Best day ever.
Oh my god! Dad!
Hey! What's going on, big units?
Big units.
Hey!
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Going that way?
We're going that way. What are you doing?
Wow, that's actually quite
Ed's gonna.
Yeah. He's not here.
This place is
across, or what are
very
you doing?
busy.
I see my daddy going that way. Don't run away from me, Daddy. How dare you? How dare you?
Ah, come on. This is not even a fair fight. I got a full car.
Yeah!
Ah!
Noisy car!
Really noisy car, eh?
I don't think we're so sure about that.
Yeah, Daddy's car's fast.
Good times.
Good times, exactly. Good times. Good work on Money Road. That's exactly what it is. It's good times. Oh, check it out, VIP.
We're here.
We got the big girl.
Our first cruise. Good. And we are here at Broadburger. Brett's down there. Jess here. Luke, you would have seen him in the LZ videos.
Yeah, I've seen plenty of him on the stories as
Yes.
well. The
Yes.
kids are running right behind us. There they go. 1, 2.
Two.
The third one stopped.
The third one stopped. And then we got the fourth one being nice and chill. Get him! Get him!
Get him, Glory, get him! The end of our cruise is finished up here at Broadburger
in Kingston.
in Kingston here on the foreshore. So we only had a few guys that managed to make it today for a Friday night, and I think it was really good.
It was, considering we decided to maybe just put it out there on Monday, and here we are on Friday. We had, what, 4 cars, a few people, good conversation.
Well, I think we started with 6 cars. We lost a couple throughout, for various reasons. But long story short, it was a great first outing.
It was.
Everyone had fun, the kids especially. Kids
Yes.
had the most fun of anyone.
Yeah, I
so.
had the crazy car, you'll see. Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Everyone survived, everyone's here. We had great food, great conversation. Until the next one, mate, that was fantastic.
That's it. All right, let's get these kids home.
Yeah, let's do it.
See
you, man. I'm
See
gone.
you. Bye.